Mamelodi Sundowns have written their name in the history books of African football as they become the first team to lift the prestigious trophy of the lucrative African Football League on Sunday afternoon. Sundowns outclassed Waydad Athletic Club of Morocco with 2-0 scoreline, 3-2 on aggregate during their second leg final encounter at the Loftus Versfeld Stadium. Thanks to goals from the returning lethal striker Peter Shalule and Aubrey Modiba, the Yellow Army understood the assignment and responded to the call as they came out in the utmost numbers and painted Loftus yellow, beating their drums like they never did before. The stakes were at utmost high as coach Rulani Mokoena unleashed his goal-scoring striking duo of Lucas Costa and Shalule, who walked back straight into the lineup after spending some time on the sidelines through injury. As expected, the home side took the game to the Moroccans from the onset as they loaded their wide half in search of that early goal. The visitors seemed comfortable to sit back and absorb the pressure and frustrated the Sundowns crowd even worse with their famous time-wasting tactics. However, the delaying tactics will backfire for the visitors as the referee added a staggering 12 minutes of stoppage time and the tense Loftus crowd would erupt thanks to Shalule's rebound goal at the stroke of halftime, which took his side into the break all square at 2-2 on aggregate. Going to the second half, the Moroccan Giants had no choice but to open up and tried to get a goal that would boost their confidence and ultimately take their game to extra time. Their efforts were not enough as the Brazilians doubled their lead in the 53rd minute with Modiba produced a cheeky and composed finish, dinking the ball over goalkeeper Yusuf, and took the posterior fans into a frenzy. Waydad tried to push that one goal that would take the game to extra time, but Masandawana held on. Congratulations are in order to Sundowns. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more sports news.